If you're having fatigue, joint pain, and brain fog, and you're trying to differentiate if it's caused by lupus or Lyme's disease, they can look surprisingly similar at first, so let's break it down in a way that actually makes sense. Both lupus and Lyme's disease can cause tiredness, headaches, rashes, and even memory problems. But here's the key difference. They come from different sources. Lupus is an autoimmune disease, which means that your own body turns on itself and attacks normal healthy tissues. You might notice this butterfly rash across your face, sensitivity to sunlight, and then symptoms that flare up and down over time. Lupus takes years to show its full picture. The treatment usually involves calming down your immune system, using medications like steroids, hydroxyquinolone, or biologics to protect your organs and your joints. Lyme's disease, on the other hand, is caused by a bacterial infection from a tick bite. It often starts with this flu-like symptoms and then followed by a bullseye's rash on your skin. You might also notice joint pain over time, fatigue, and then sometimes nerve issues if it progresses. The good news is that if it's cut early, antibiotics like doxycycline can completely treat you, can completely clear it out from your system. But if it is missed, it can turn into something that is more chronic. And then in that case, the symptoms linger and then become problematic over time. Here's a simple clue if you're trying to differentiate between lupus and Lyme's disease. If symptoms started after being outdoor, like hiking, camping, or doing yard work, think Lyme's disease. If your symptoms have been sort of building up over time, months or even years, and then comes in waves, think lupus. They both have different causes, which means that they have different treatments. So if you're trying to differentiate between both of them, don't guess, especially if you have joint pain, fatigue, and then brain fog. Getting tested early means that you get your answers early, which means that you get the right care early as well.